Good morning. Welcome to Physics for Civil Engineering class. Today I am going to explain about the different terms in that particular unit 1 once again, that is ventilation. So now the ventilation term. What is ventilation? The removal of all ventilated air. Ventilated air means that is unhealthy air that is available in a building due to the crowd of peoples. If large number of peoples are there in a building, because of the continuous breathing, that occupant, the particular place is going to be, the air is unhealthy air, or is not useful, or not is going to be healthy one for the smoke. Okay, so that is going to be removed. That is the removal of all ventilated air from the building, and it replacement with the fresh air, that is known as ventilation. So that's the purpose of using ventilation in every building. So in every building there is a ventilation. So now you know what's the usage of ventilation. So the removal of all ventilated air. What is meant by ventilated? That is an unhealthy air that is available in a building due to the exhaustion of the particular one because of the number of people in that particular place. So continuously breathing, as a result of that, the particular room, the air is going to be polluted. This pollutant air is going to be removed. That is happen with the help of this ventilation. So that is a ventilation. Okay, ventilation. Then now, what's a factor affecting ventilation? What are the factor is going to be affecting this ventilation? The first one is air changes. Air changes, that knows air blow is there. Then humidity. Humidity is also going to be the factor which is going to be the affecting the ventilation process. Quality of air, that I will explain the quality of air. Temperature, that means inside the building and outside the building, the temperature is also going to be affect the ventilation, that factor. Then uses of building. Building is going to be used, so the more number of occupants are there means, so automatically the air is going to be unhealthy one after some time. So these are the factor is going to be affect the ventilation process. Okay. Then next, the method of artificial ventilation. Now natural ventilation is there in most of the building. A small opening is there in the top of the wall. That is actually ventilation. Generally a small size, sometimes maybe a large size ventilation is also there. That is natural one. Then artificial method, that is a number of artificial ventilation is also there in addition of that natural one. So what are the artificial ventilation method? So the first one is exhaust system. Exhaust system, that is used to remove all the air from that means unhealthy air from this room, that is taken out, and the smooth air is entering. So unhealthy air means, that means the percentage of oxygen is going to be lower. The air where the percentage of oxygen low means the person who are staying in the particular place is going to be struggle for breathing. So that's lead some problems. So that is unhealthy. So that should be avoided. So that should be avoided by natural ventilation. If it is not possible with the help of natural ventilation, we need to use the artificial ventilation. That is artificial ventilation. So what are the methods are there, standard method to plant that particular artificial ventilation? That exhaust system. So that is going to be remove all the air that already available in the building, and the fresh air is going to be sent in it. Then supply system is there. Plenum, this is also one system. The unhealthy air or the oxygen level low rising air available in a building is going to be removed. One process name, plenum process. The combination of exhaust and supply system, that means these two system. already mentioned two system. They together that another one system is there. Then another one very important one, that is air conditioning. That air conditioning method is also it act as a ventilation only. So the fresh air is continuously supplied to the particular room with the help of the external agents. These all the external agency or external devices used to maintain the air quality inside a building in a healthy level. That means the low quality or low percentage oxygen level air should be removed, and the high percentage air is going to be entered into this room with the help of this artificial manner. That is a artificial ventilation. Then natural ventilation. Though already I told what natural ventilation. That natural ventilation means this is also, that means windows, ventilator. Separate ventilator is already explained. What is ventilator? A small gap is on the top of the wall between the concrete and also the wall. A small gap is there. That's one ventilator. In addition of that, the windows also act as a ventilator. That is also used to transfer the air from the room to outside and the surrounding to room. That also this particular system. In this system of ventilation, doors, windows, ventilator and skylight are used to make a room properly ventilated. This system is useful for, this one is very useful for a small building. Small building, this type of natural ventilation enough. But a large size building, the dimension large means we should use the external, that means artificial ventilation in addition of the natural ventilation. That only I discussed in the previous one. So these all about the detail of the ventilation, the need of ventilation, type of ventilation, then how the unhealthy the air is taken out with the different methods that already explains. Okay, so this ventilation part is over. Next, I am going to teach about this air conditioning. Air conditioning, that is also already explained. This is a that means artificial ventilation type. Okay, so now further I am going to in-depth analysis about the air conditioning and the uses and different type of air conditioning system. So the standard definition of air condition is a process of simultaneous controlling and maintaining the properties of air like temperature. So particularly temperature is going to be maintained at a constant level, or is going to be lowerize the temperature comparing the surrounding temperature. So the purpose of usage of this air conditioner is to lowerize the temperature of a building comparing the environment temperature. So that should be maintained with the help of this devices. Okay, then humidity, temperature, humidity, purity and direction of heat flow, everything is under control with the help of this air conditioning system. So if we set the air conditioner in a particular point or particular number or particular that means setting, then the air, that means the particular room is going to be maintained the same temperature throughout the air conditioner is in the working process. So that is a very important one. So the principle of air conditioner is continuously draw an air from the indoor part and cool it by the refrigeration principle and discharge it back into the same indoor space. So you take the hot air and change into cool air and given to the same room by using the components of the air conditioner. So that's actually principle. So principle is very simple. You take the hot air and we change into cool air. It's given to the same that means room. So the room is maintained as a constant temperature level. That is a principle of the air conditioner. Now the different air conditioning system, different type of air conditioner used in the different place. In domestic purpose, the type of air conditioner is different comparing the commercial purpose. So that based on the strength of the air conditioning capacity, that actually is mentioned by the unit ton. 1 ton air conditioner, 1.5 ton air conditioner, like that is there. The quality, the capacity of changing that hot air into cool air. So that that is going to apply by using the unit ton, 110 to 1.5, like that. So based on the sign, that means dimension of the particular room, you use the different type of air conditioning system. That is central air conditioning. This central air conditioning system is mainly for the long haul. So, okay, central air conditioning system. So it's going to be strength of this air conditioner is far better than that of the other air conditioning system. Split air conditioning system. Nowadays, the domestic purpose, most of the place, the split air conditioner is going to be used. That one is familiar one now. Then window air conditioning system, that one somewhat old type of air conditioner, is actually placed in a window. Then portable air conditioner, hybrid air. So these are the 5 different types of air conditioner available. This air conditioner is going to be used based on the building size, the dimension of the particular building. So if the small room, a small dimension room, it is better to use this window type or even that split type. So the cinema hall and auditorium, like that we use heavy that air conditioning process. That mainly the best preferred one is the central air conditioning system, and like that. So different types of air conditioner is going to be discussed here. Then now the window is particularly first our focusing is to see about the detail of window air conditioner. So in our portion, window air conditioner is treated separately. So what are the components that is available in window air conditioner? So the main component of window air conditioner is compressor, condenser. Compressor different, condenser different. Air filter, evaporator, motor, fans, and thermostat. So in the split air conditioner, where the inner part one system is there, then outer part actually machine is there. Machine actually in the outer part, and the only portion is going to be send the that means cool water into room, that alone in the interior part of the. So 2 different systems also there. In the 2 different systems, the different components are placed. These components are compressor, condenser. So the usage of compressor, condenser, everything will be discussed in detail. The window air conditioner, the long question answer. So here only focusing about the air conditioning systems component. One compressor, second condenser, air filter, evaporator coil actually, motor, fan, then thermostat. These are the different components of air conditioner. Then what is mean by window air conditioner? What is window air conditioner? It is designed to condition air in a single room, a small size single room, and is usually installed in a window. So in a window itself, the particular device is somewhat old stage or older one. That one. Nowadays split AC is going to be used in familiar and most places. Okay, so window air conditioning means it is designed to condition air in a single room. It is usually installed in a window. Then what are the components of window air conditioner is given here: compressor, condenser, air filter, and evaporator. So these all about the air conditioner, different type of air conditioner, and then what? Window air conditioning definition, a component of window air conditioner. So in this video I explain both this ventilation process, different type of ventilator, and also air conditioner. Air conditioner is also, that is artificial ventilation already mentioned. So that is air conditioner in detail, and their types, usage, where it is mainly used, and whose capacity is actually measured by ton. Based on the dimension of the room, you can use the air conditioner, so that the different type of air conditioner system is there. So these all discussed in this class. So by this I conclude this video. We'll meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.